So right here is the all-new Innova Crysta, and I know that there is a lot of history and emotion related to the name Innova in India, but keeping that apart, today we'll find out if there are many major changes that had caused a huge price difference between the older and the new variant. Up front, it has a frameless grille, and those grills leading to the headlamps immediately grabs attention. As this is a base variant, it misses projector headlamps and fog lamps. The side profile is very neutral, and the tapering glass house justifies that it's an MPV. You get 16-inch alloy wheels rather than 17-inch which you get in the top variant. The main focus point of the rear is the L-shaped tail lights and the integrated brake lights on rear spoiler. Move to the inside, and the first thing you will notice that it does not have any infotainment system, so we've installed a third-party infotainment system. Its dashboard compared to the top variant doesn't have a wooden strip with it, and as it doesn't have a infotainment system, you don't get any steering mounted audio control, but there is a display button which is used for the MDI. Another drawback of this variant is that it does not have automatic climate control. Here you get different driving modes, and beneath that you get a 12-volt socket and lots of space to store your belongings. The center armrest has a huge glove box beneath it. Here you get one cup holder. You get a 5-speed manual transmission. In the front you get two glove box, and the top one is cool too. The lower glove box has ample of storage in it. You get cup holders in front of the AC vent. The door bins can swallow full 1-liter bottle. Let's move to the back now. One thing you can be sure about is that whichever variant you buy, the one thing that will not be compromised is comfort. Yes, you don't get leather seats in this, but the fabric seats are just fine. You get air conditioning here, and you get two cup holders here. Let's move to the rear seats now. It's actually a little bit tough to go to the rear seats. In terms of comfort, the third row is just fine. You can recline these seats to increase your comfort. One thing you can make sure about that whichever row you are in, you will get cup holders and air conditioning.
So Toyota claims it to be this seat to be a full 3-seater, so you get a middle seat built too.
Now let's check out the boot. You get a decent amount of boot space, but if you move the seats up, you will get a huge boot space. In case of safety, you get 3 airbags, ABS, EBD and brake assist as standard. It has a 2.4-liter engine which creates maximum power of 148 bhp at 3400 rpm and creates maximum torque of 343 Newton meter at 1400 rpm.
Perfect.